Hey there! Welcome to this episode of Canadian Retro Things. For those of you that watch the channel, you know that I prefer to buy my retro stuff from local auctions and from thrift stores and things like that. But lately, at least around here, these auctions that I usually buy from have gotten, well, to put it mildly, stupidly expensive. There are people that are bidding the things up way beyond what they should be paying for them. It's gotten to the point where most of the time it's actually cheaper to buy the stuff from eBay and have it shipped. So I decided I'm going to buy some stuff from eBay for my channel. And I decided that since my first computer that I ever owned was a 16K TRS-80 Coco 2, I would buy some TRS-80 stuff. So I went online, I bought a couple of lots, and the first package arrived today. So now I am going to unbox this package of TRS-80 gubbins. And here is the box. I have cut it open, but I haven't looked inside yet. There were a couple items here that I really wanted. I didn't actually look too closely, just saw those items, and that's why I bid on this package. So let's take a look. And a note from the seller. All right, first thing we have is a big bag of cables. Various different cables. Have to go through that and see what they're all for. TRS-80 tape. Aha! Zaxxon. Did not know I was getting this. That's awesome. Love this game. I have it for the ColecoVision. And here is the reason that I bought this lot. Dungeons of Daggeroth. Had this game when I was a kid. Absolutely loved it. Cannot wait to play this. And we have a deluxe joystick. No shaking parts in it, so it doesn't sound like anything's broken. Watching Coco Talk the other day, I saw that they're talking about 3D printing new internal arms for these things, and if you just shake the joystick, you'll be able to hear if they're broken on the inside. So that's good. Some TV connectors. Don't really care for these. I have a lot of them. A blank cassette tape. That should be fun to find out what's on there. Another game, Thexter, I think it is. Never heard of this one. It's a Sierra game though. That will be fun to try out. Wow. A really, really old cable. So that's a UHF connector. Another tandy joystick. Oh, a second one. So two tandy joysticks. Another old cable. Aha! And here we have some books. What do we have in here? We have, oh, the Zaxxon manual, the Temple of Rom manual, Dungeons of Daggorath manual. It's that supplemental software catalog. Flight Simulator 2 Pilot's Operating Handbook. Typing tutor. Oh. A disc. And another disc. It says Pitfall 2 on it. Radio ball for Pinball Wizard. Flight physics and aircraft control. Disc system. So, interesting. Seems like a few manuals in there. Introducing Your Color Computer 3. A kid's book for the color computer. Another blank cassette. Another one to find out what's on. A disc case. A whole bunch more discs. Oh, it's like I'm going to have to hunt down a disc drive. Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego? Some blank discs. Blank discs, blank discs. Lots of blank discs. Interesting. Was not expecting those. Temple of Rom. Also a game that I had when I was a kid. Loved this one. Typing tutor. And one last cassette. Oh, radio ball. Don't know that one, but I did see the manual for it in there. And one battery. All right, well, that's everything that's in the box. Well, as far as I'm concerned, that was an awesome find of TRS-80 gubbins. I am so pleased with that. There are games that I'm going to be looking forward to playing. There's manuals to read. There's blank cassettes to discover what's on them. There's so much. There's even a disc drive. I never thought about getting a disc drive. Never had one when I was a kid, so I never even thought about it. Well, now I have a whole load of blank discs. I obviously have to get a disc drive. Anyways, as you may be able to tell, I did say that I have a couple of packages coming. Well, the second one is a computer. To spoil the surprise, it's a Coco 2. And it is the 16K version, but it's got a 64K upgrade. It's said to be working, but when it arrives, I'll be taking it apart to look it over before I plug it in to make sure there's no leaking capacitors or anything. So I hope you'll join me in that video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, even subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I'm going to look through this stuff more thoroughly now, and see you in the next video.